everyone, my name is Gwyneth Algones and I'm your speaker. Today, I want to talk about anti-bullying, something that many students go through. Bullying is when someone makes fun of others, hurt them, or say bad things to make them feel small. It can happen anywhere, in school, outside, or even online. Some people think it's just a joke, but for the person being bullied, it really hurts inside. Let me share my own experience. Back in elementary, some people made jokes of me because I'm chubby. They would laugh and call me names like Taba. At first, I laughed with them because I didn't want them to see that I was hurt. But when I was alone, I felt sad. I looked in the mirror and started to hate my body. I lost my confidence and sometimes didn't even want to go to school. But one day, I realized something important. There's nothing wrong with being chubby. My body is mine. And I should love it no matter what other people say. I told myself, yes, I'm chubby. But I'm kind, smart, and strong. So now, when someone jokes about my body, I just smile and say it's okay. I'm not fat. I'm just full of happiness because I've learned to love who I am. That experience taught me that we should never let people's words define us. Bullying doesn't make anyone cool. It's only show how insecure they are. We should all respect each other, no matter our size, color, or looks. Everyone is beautiful in their own way. So all who have been bullied, please remember, you are not alone. Be proud of who you are, because you are not alone. Because your worth is not measured by your body, but by your heart. And to everyone here, let's be kind. A single kind word can make someone's day better. Let's make our school a safe and happy place for all. Let's stop bullying and start spreading kind and love instead. And that's all. Thank you.